Welcome to episode 15 of the EBC's Ultimate Fiesta Build project. We're back here at Castle Combe Circuit for more on-track testing in our Fiesta. My name is Chris Dawes and I'm commentator here at Castle Combe Circuit, so I could not resist wrestling the mic away from Stefan for this to take you through the action on our wonderful circuit. We're straight into the action this time with British touring car ace Jake Hill in our Ultimate Fiesta build, the red and black full Yanamai's vinyl wrapped car on the left frame, up against Adam Higgins, double Formula Ford champion here at Castle Combe Circuit, so great knowledge of this track, in the green BRSCC Fiesta Championship car, full-blown race car against our modified road car. So already they're trying to get everything up to temperature, but as you can see, the usual challenge here for them, it's raining again, so it's gonna be a big old test for these cars. But look at the fact that the modified road-going car is leading the way, making sure they're avoiding the standing water as they apply the EBC brakes, heading in towards Bobby's chicane, the second of the two chicanes on this Wiltshire circuit. Back on the power again, all the way down past the pit entry, and they'll come down towards Camp Corner, the final corner of this lap. Again, you can see deliberately avoiding the standing water there. Onto the start-finish straight, full power now, all the way up the hill they will go, over Avon Rise in towards Quarry. This is flat out this right-hand kink. Up Avon Rise they go, in towards Quarry. Normally absolutely packed with spectators here because of the mighty challenges of this. As you can see, Jake Hill there wrestling with that car as he goes light over the hill. As soon as it's back on the ground again, he's able to be in full control. Down Farm Straight towards the right-left of the S's. Here we go through those sections, fully under control. Both of them, of course, with the EBC brakes. Give you a bit more detail about that in a second, because they are running slightly different, and the race car fully race prepared, of course, as you can imagine. I would say normally on slicks. I think it's fair to assume it's not going to be today, but they would normally be out there in slicks. Round Tower Bend they go, back on the power for a short sharp moment before applying those EBC brakes again as we head in towards Bobby's. Right, then left with a big dip on that second apex. Back on the power again, down towards Camp Corner we go. Remember, these are just shakedown laps, but they're racing drivers, so they're going to be pushing it as hard as they possibly can. You know it. Through Camp Corner we go. Big rumble there from the rumble strip towards the right. Jake Hill pulls, and then Adam Higgins on the left now, past the black and red EBC Brakes livery that we saw there, up over Avon Rise. Here we go. This is the moment. This is very unusual to see Adam Higgins make this mistake. Oh, across the grass he goes, but look at that experience, making sure he keeps it away from the barriers. Bit of a shame there for Adam, but as I say, not a usual thing. Thankfully, as they bring it in, the damage is just superficial, just a bit of bodywork that needs to be repaired, and it was quickly repaired, because we're going to be taking these cars back out on circuit now, and it's going to be the true hot laps, although they look pretty hot to me. You can see that it is a rolling start for them here. Both cars are running the EBC's Apollo Big Brake kits, providing those impressive big calipers that you can see through the wheels, and EBC's floating disc to go with it. As you can see from the graphics, the race car is running EBC's RP1 brake pads. They're not road legal, they are for track day and race applications. Their performance typically come into their own when up to temperature on a race circuit. Whereas on the left, our Fiesta build project, the Ultimate Fiesta build I should say in reality, with the performance that we're going to have a look at in a second, that's running the yellow stuff pads. That's for fast road and occasional track day. That is road legal, but it also offers impressive occasional track day performance. And with the way these guys are pushing these cars, they're necessary here, and you can really see them coming into their own as they're in full control, late braking into these corners, going flat out for as long as they can, apply those brakes and have confidence that it's going to stop them, and stop them in a controlled manner. When you consider that our Ultimate Fiesta build project It is a Ford Fiesta ST3 2017 model. It's already got 42,000 miles on the clock. Well, it did before we got here today. These boys have probably been racking them up. Something chronic with the fun they're clearly having as they go across the start-finish straight, nose to tail, having a whale of a time with each other. Allegedly not competing, but you know what racing drivers are like. They're going to be. Now, our Ultimate Fiesta build project, it's capable of 400 brake horsepower. Currently we've got it set to 370 on a safe map, but it gives you an idea of what it is capable of doing. Sun is running low now as they go down farm straight in towards the S's. That's clearly providing an additional challenge for these drivers as they make their way through what looks like a drying track to me there. But they've still got to be very wary. Get off that ever so slightly and you can tell that there is plenty of standing water. It's still going to be greasy. The race car is going to be on wets. So love it when we can have a drone over a circuit. Sadly on race days that's something we don't get to do. But look at the performance of these cars. Again, the red and black car up ahead there, that clearly is Jake Hill in our Ultimate Fiesta build project. And it really is a fabulous project they put together there. Incredible car, it really is. The spec of this car, there's too much for me to go through on everything they've thrown at this to make it such an impressive car as we go through and complete yet another lap. Round the first corner, heading up Avon Rise again we go, and the race car has got a good run there, but I don't think Jake Hill's going to let Adam make a move there. As we go round Quarry one more time, it really is impressive to see how EBC's Ultimate Fiesta stands up to the full-blown race car. Thank you for watching this. That car is available to you. Just £1.50 a ticket on Dream Car Giveaways. Website link in the comments. Just £1.50 and all proceeds go to Rays of Sunshine Children's Charity. Thanks for watching.